Yan, dyan ako nakagawa dito, tsaka doon. Yun, tsaka doon. Hindi pa tapos yung mga residential eh, oh.
Saan ka nag-work na building?
Dito, tsaka doon.
Yan, yung building na to.
Oh.
Wow. Proud of yourself, ha? You are proud of yourself. You are also included from this history of this building, ha?
Yung mga cable yan dyan eh. Post tensioning eh.
Look at that. It's too high from the top. Ha? Oh.
Eh, hindi yan. Doon ako nagtrabaho pala. Doon tayo.
Ano yung sa nasa taas? Ano yun? Bulaklak? Bulaklak ba yan? May halaman? Hello! It's a nice thing. Keep on running. You're doing another adventure.
Oh yeah, this is boring. Yeah, airplane. Airplane.
Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day. Thank you. It's similar in Hong Kong. There is a playground. Seems to be same in Hong Kong. There is a playground from the residential house from this building. Look at that. You can do an exercise also there. Great. This is the biggest mall from Vancouver. But it's not yet totally done. It's still under construction. So amazing. Go, 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 go. You dia. Ah. Bugat.
Bugat ah. 12 kilos oh. 12 kilogram. 20 pounds. 20 pounds. Hindi mag-ano.
Ayos ah. Okay, great job. Keep it up. This is all about for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Look at the sun. It's really too bright. Thanks everyone. Hope you like this video. Bye.